Luxurious sleek cars are positioned on the empty road on a distance from Ilsan, where stands a huge truck, and the area is a sight of phantoms who are standing near. Hoseok and Seokjin are the two who unlock the car's diggy one by one before they move to grip the huge heavy leathered bags in their rugged hands in ease, regardless the heavy weight of bags. And soon the surface of leathered fabric got placed against the clear road before they stand against with imposing figure and straight face getting done from unloading the cars like that. Let's place them all safely inside the truck, he said as he moved away from there and bowed the coal near his mouth, placing the poisonous stick between his pair. Are we filling ketamine in the truck as well? He asked, leaning with Car, folding his arms with grim face as he glanced at Namjoon, who stood just little far from him. Yes, we are, as the vehicles for smuggling are few, he said, exhaling the dark smoke and atmosphere with his eyes focused on distance. We have lack of time before the sunrise. He stand taking his steps near the bags before gripping onto the straps so as his muscles ripped at the grip. Jimin moved beside Suga as well, holding on to some bags as they loaded all one by one inside the truck seamlessly. The loading is over, he said tranquilly, moving away from the side. We moved holding heavy boxes of engines as he placed all to cover illegal stuff effortlessly as with each move his muscles stretched on display, showing the strength he holds from years of work. The transport out to depart now. Namjoon nodded at the statement of V when all phantoms stood there looking at the vision of their illegal chariot mode. Jungkook moved deliberately towards the cargo, holding onto the heavy ironic securer before he closed the container's latch from his physical fit of veiny arms. Namjoon walked towards the container before he knocked up to the solid form of it from his short hand, giving signals to take the leap from Ilsan as the engine roar soon echoed against the emptiness of road. Willing with hope that the risk would not cause our downturn and never bring repose. Phantoms glanced at each other, passing fraternal grins. All remain imposing, tending with the cars when Jungkook speak up, looking at them. Now that the transport left, we should head back as well. Prevailingly, all settled in the cars. At rainy night in the alley of Daegu, where stands V, Suga and Seokjin at a distance from each other, holding bags filled with Ritalins and giving each other in moments secretly. Wearing all black when few men with tattoos standing on the other side of roads, looking at them before they moved towards them, wearing masks on their faces to hide their identity when the signal turned red. The other men are holding bags in their hands as well, which they exchanged with each one of phantoms in blink of an eye, not getting noticed by any single person there. And soon all three of them get disappeared in the huge crowd of Daegu, so as Seokjin, Suga and V again passed glance giving gesture to leave with a confirmation nod.
Busan, city of South Korea. Somewhere in the club of Busan, where lots of people are drinking, surrounded by loud music, when Jimin, Jungkook and Hoseok enter inside with dominant aura and grim faces, holding some suitcase. Their footsteps made way towards the glass table near minibar where sat a man in a suit looking for their way, as they soon sat there before placing the heavy suitcases on the glass table leaning against the couch. The men smirked before one of his men placed the bags of money in front of them as well before three of them holds the straps and handshaked with him who grinned at them. Their dominant steps made way towards the exit of bar with authority and might, leaving the crowded place at once holding on to the bags. Next day, inside the huge hall of mansion where stands Seokjin while he is holding a bundle of Korean wons in his stout hands, when his determined eyes are focused on each won, counting on them. Jimin is leaning with the dark wall before he passed another bundle to Seokjin. During he take one bundle for himself from the wons filled bag placidly yet intensely. Inverse Suga is settled on the couch gripping on abundance of black money while few are spread beside him as his acute eyes are totally the amount in his screwed hand. Soon the marble floor weighted by another heavy costly bag by V who stepped inside the hall holding on to the straps in his sturdy hand tranquilly before sitting on the leathered couch. Jungkook reached out to unzip the bag before he holds some bundles in his weenie hand, unwrapping the white paper from them. Afterwards, he numbered on each one with calculated mind. Door of Hall Creek opened by Hosok, who walk inside with Namjoon. Both seemed somber as they take the seats on opposite side of V and Suga. All phantoms stopped what they were doing and looked at them. What went down? He asked in resonant voice when Namjoon gazed up at him before speaking. Things turned the page brutally, he said, making all phantoms raise their brows. What you are trying to say, he said, placing the bundle aside. He was sighing deeply before speaking further, resting his one hand on the armrest, looking at all. Our container got seized an hour ago, he said when Phantom signed at the statement of Hyosok, and the atmosphere seemed to close in from the silence. If things went this way, we would not be able to stand in the industry. Seokjin nodded at his words before leaning with the nearby wall, thinking deeply about the situation. Our ship is also stuck in Japan cause of purchases, he said placidly, staring at the distance when Namjoon leaned with the headrest, looking at all with same illusion. If this continued, then our costly pellets would ruin completely. Seokjin nodded, hearing him as well as Namjoon, who rubbed his forehead with his fingers slightly. All stayed still, thinking deeply about the sudden downfall in their business which just took place in hours and the heavy loss they have to face. We have to find a way to get through this all. He placed the cigarette in the ash of coal, leaving that on ashtray in a steady way. Our last hope is to smuggle under the border of Korea. Maybe this will work. He eyed all the members with solemn expression which reflects the tense situation. Who all stared at him with grim faces and assuring gazes, knowing that their new way of supplying will cause lots of obstacles in their way. There is one thing which is sure, that no matter how much issue will come in their business, they stand beside each other, having back of one another with solidarity.